Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure camera permissions and the iOS 26 update are applied. Open Settings, grant camera and microphone access, and confirm Photos access so portraits save correctly. Once done, launch camera and check the control strip for portrait mode. Enable it if it's hidden. This step prevents permission errors and ensures new portrait processing runs. Make sure your device has sufficient storage and restart after the update to initialize any new imaging services before you continue. You'll now compose and refine the shot. Frame your subject with some distance for depth detection, then tap to focus and slide the exposure slider if needed. Lock AE/AF on still subjects. Next, choose portrait lighting and tweak depth using the depth slider for stronger or softer background blur. If available, switch lenses for composition, use 1x for wider scenes, 2x for tighter headshots, and enable Photonic Engine or Pro RAW to retain detail and dynamic range for post-editing. You'll finish by taking the photo and refining it. Tap the shutter, keep steady, or mount a tripod for low light to avoid depth errors. After capture, open Photos to fine-tune depth and lighting. Adjust the depth slider and lighting presets to taste, then save. If portrait blur looks wrong, make sure subjects are well separated from background, toggle portrait mode off and on, and restart the camera app to recalibrate face and depth detection. This often resolves misclassification or processing glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.